step-by-step procedure of corpus analysis. This is last part of the procedure. We will complete these steps in this module. We have learned that when we start analysis with corpus, after selecting sample from real language, then we translate the text, selected chunks of the text, into computer readable language. And when we are translating it, we insert extra information into the text. And insertion of this extra information is called tagging. One example was discussed in the foregoing modules. Now, more examples will be seen here. If you are interested in incorporating more information, then how you can do it. For example, you want to include grammatical information about the words, about the lexical items which are part of the chunks. So how you would do that? You would first define an element. The word is element, its attribute, and its value. These three information would be included about every lexical item. For example, you have actor. You want to know the gender, its attribute. Its attribute is feminine. We have shown it with F, that is enclosed in commas. Then we want to know its case. Case is nominative. That shows it would be subject of the sentence. Wherever it comes, it would be in subject position, because nominative case always, come in the subject position. Okay. Then you have name. Name is already given in the text, and that's why we have written here given. And what is name? Miss Aisha. And then we have closing brackets. Now see the information between the opening angle brackets and the closing angle brackets. So between the two brackets, you are including extra information about Miss Aisha. So here your element, your attribute, and its values, they are included in the text. When you search corpus, you search it with some software. You give command to the computer. You will write Miss Aisha. The computer will give you exactly the Miss Aisha you are looking for in the corpus, because you have included all this minute detailed information about Miss Aisha. This is the benefit of tagging. So it will show you, not only that, it will show you all female actors with the given names in nominative position, number 1, and all of them would be Miss Aisha. So in your corpus, regardless it is a very large corpus of millions of words, your computer will search Miss Aisha in nominative position from your corpus. There is no predefined set of all tags. Now the question may arise, from where we get all these tags, these symbols? Is there any ready-made set of these tags? No such complete set of tags is available so far. Though there are lists which are very extensive as compared to the previous ones, even then they are income. So what is the solution? The researcher can add his her own tags to the list of tags that she needs. So this is the choice of the researcher. So the list of tags is open-ended. Every tag has three things, but you must keep in mind the same three things which I mentioned earlier. There must be element, Miss Aisha, attribute, gender. It doesn't mean that every time element would be Miss Aisha and attribute would be gender. This is just example. And value of gender, female, male. So here it is female. See a complete example of this whole process which I have explained. Here you will see three boxes. In the first you have the ordinary text. This is the original text that you have selected. In the second box you have included tags, and in the third box that would appear on the screen of the computer. This is the result of your search. Okay, now here one more step is involved. This process that I have shown you, it involves one thing more, and that is very technical. I have said you will give command, and this command involves some software, and you as a researcher must know, because so many softwares are available. So according to your research purpose and type of data, you must select one appropriate software, and you should have training for using that software. Otherwise you won't be able to extract information out of the corpus. Corpus से आप कोई चीज़ dig out कर नहीं सकते. When you search corpus, computer will see information for you, and this information is seeable for the computer because of your tagging. Tagging involves these three elements, and then you decide about the appropriate software. The thing I wanted to share with you was that softwares are very costly. You have to subscribe, you have to buy them for a particular time period. So the solution for researchers, individual researchers like us, is ENG527. This software is freely available, and you can learn the use of this software through YouTube lectures. And for your research, that I would suggest some topics for your own research as assignment. You can use this software ENG527.